Are you planning a trip to Austria and wondering which cities to visit? Look no further. In this video, we will take you on a journey to the top 5 cities in Austria. Number 5 on our list is Salzburg, a city known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and being the birthplace of Mozart. One of the most iconic landmarks in Salzburg is the Hohensalzburg Fortress, which offers breathtaking views of the city. Take a stroll through the old town and visit the Mirabel Palace and Gardens, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. In the evening, attend a classical music concert or opera performance at one of the many theaters in the city. At number 4, we have Graz, the second largest city in Austria. Graz is a vibrant and lively city with a rich cultural heritage. One of the must-visit attractions is the Schlossberg, a hill in the city center with stunning panoramic views. The city is also home to numerous museums, including the Kunsthaus Graz, which is an architectural masterpiece. Don't forget to try the local cuisine, which includes dishes like pumpkin seed oil and Styrian fried chicken. Coming in at number 3 is Innsbruck, a city nestled in the heart of the Austrian Alps. Innsbruck is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, with activities like skiing, hiking, and mountain biking available all year round. The city is also home to the famous Golden Roof, a symbol of the city's wealth and power during the Renaissance. Take a cable car up to the Nordkap mountain range for stunning views of the surrounding landscape. Number 2 on our list is the picturesque city of Hallstatt, located in the Salzkammergut region of Austria. Hallstatt is famous for its stunningly beautiful lake and charming Alpine architecture. Take a boat ride on the lake, or hike up to the nearby Dockstein ice caves for a unique experience. The village is also home to the oldest salt mine in the world, which has been in operation since the Bronze Age. Finally, at number 1, we have Vienna, the capital city of Austria. Vienna is known for its rich cultural heritage, stunning architecture, and delicious food. Visit the Schönbrunn Palace, the former summer residence of the Habsburg monarchs, and take a stroll through the city's many parks and gardens. Don't forget to try the famous Viennese coffee and pastries, such as the Sachertorte and Apfelstrudel. Austria is a beautiful and diverse country with something for everyone. Whether you're interested in history, culture, or outdoor activities, these top 5 cities are sure to leave you with unforgettable memories. Remember to hit the subscribe button and notification bell to stay tuned for more travel content. Have you visited any of these cities before? Let us know in the comments below.